Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove the OneDrive save option from Microsoft Office apps. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open any Microsoft app on your computer. For this demonstration, we'll use Microsoft Word since most Microsoft Office applications share the same process. This means once you know how to do it in Word, you can apply the same steps to Excel, PowerPoint, and other Office apps without any trouble. Once Word is open, direct your attention to the top part of your screen and click on the File menu. This will expand the menu and present you with several options for managing your documents and application settings. The File menu is your gateway to all the important configuration features in Microsoft Office. From here, look at the bottom part of this menu where you'll find the Options button. Click on it to proceed. This will open the Microsoft Word Options window, which gives you access to a wide range of customization settings that control how your Office app behaves and where it saves your files. In the Microsoft Word Options window, look at the left-hand menu. You'll see several categories listed there, including General, Proofing, and others. Locate and click on Save to access your Microsoft Save settings. This section is specifically designed to control how and where your documents are stored when you click the Save button. Within the Save menu, scroll through the options until you find the checkbox labeled Save to Computer by default. Click on this checkbox to enable it. This is the key setting that changes everything. By enabling this option, you're telling Microsoft Office to bypass OneDrive and save all your files directly to your local directory on your computer instead. This gives you more control over where your documents are stored and prevents automatic cloud syncing if that's not what you want. Once you've enabled the Save to Computer by Default checkbox, click the OK button at the bottom of the window to save your changes. The settings will now take effect immediately, and from this point forward, all your Microsoft Office files will be saved to your computer's local storage rather than OneDrive. And that's it. You've successfully removed the OneDrive save option from your Microsoft Office apps and configured them to save locally by default. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.